from Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the Midge, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
Thunderstorm warning for
Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharpsville, Greenville, Mercer, Stoneboro, Sandy Lake, Clark, Fredonia, Jackson Center.
I'm honing
and
SVR.
Morris K. Goddard State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 120 and 137.
60 miles per hour.
Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile
This was
markers
from my
5
county.
and 10. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mercer, Pennsylvania.
Ouch.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Double header! What the fuck?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hilltop, or near Warren, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
What just fell over?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to
A double header.
vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Warren, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Lordstown, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Vienna, McDonald, Poland, Lowellville, Yankee Lake, and North Jackson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Trumbull. An urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.